In this simple video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how to lock chats on WhatsApp. This is essential for protecting sensitive information, ensuring that only authorized users can access private conversations. To do this, simply head to WhatsApp. Let's say you want to lock this chat right here. Tap onto their profile. You will then navigate onto the option of Lock Chat. Tap on Continue to select any preferred passcode. The selected chat will get locked successfully. This feature is particularly valuable in preventing unauthorized access if your phone is lost, stolen, or borrowed. It adds an extra layer of security, keeping personal and professional communications safe from prying eyes. And helps maintain privacy in situations where others might have temporary access to your device. That's how easy it is to lock chats on WhatsApp. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like, share and subscribe for more video tutorials like this one.